guys, I hope you're doing well. A warm welcome in the world of Amazon. So, guys, I want to ask, are you seeking for a cleaning stuff for your place? If yes, in my opinion, you can go for Vecmoc Vacuum. Guys, I'm here to give Shark Vecmoc reviews and assist you people with taking your shopping decision. So, let's check out the Amazon page. My investigation says, guys, this product is quite amazing, and it is a complete package of powerful suction spray, mopping, and a complete pad in one pad. It cleans all the dirt in your surroundings and it takes care of your paradise for sure. Guys, as you can see, the page, it has add to cart and buy now section. You can easily add to cart how much quantity you have to buy. Just press buy now option and it will reach at your place. You can easily deliver at any part of the world. Guys, the add to list and add to wedding registry section is also there. Then the detail of the product is mentioned on the home page. The brand is Shark. The color is charcoal gray. The model name is Vecmop Pro. The item dimension is 5.3 into 9.5 into 47.87 inches. And the model number is VM252. So guys, let's check out what is the product specification, as it will help you people in taking a right decision for yourself. So guys, this item is basically a disposable Vecmoc vacuums which easily cleans up your surroundings, and it has a spray mopping with multi-surface hard floor cleaner. The best part is, it doesn't have any problem of getting it cleaning again and again. You can easily have the no touch disposal, never touch a dirty pad again. It has no filter or maintenance necessary. Plus it is light in weight. It has powerful LED headlights. It also has a disposable pads of 12 odd sharp multi-surface. So guys, you can buy it at easy discounts. The product also available is, these products are also available in falling, you can see the falling ways. Guys, have a look at product image gallery. It says about the product. So guys, when I have done my investigation about the product, I have found that people are saying that yes, this product is lightweight, it has no touch disposal, plus this is very portable. You can carry at your place, any place. If you wanted to go to your office or at any place, at your friend's place, you can carry this. Guys, even you can have any questions in the FAQ section. The manufacturer description of the product is also given. It says that it is a hard floor system, combines powerful suction and spray mopping. The two powerful function includes its cleaning, and its ultra powerful suction locks away the dirt, debris, pet hair and more. So guys, when I have investigated the customer reviews says that yes, this product is a must buy product. You can buy it at pocket friendly prices from Amazon. Even guys, some customers says that yes, this helps them for cleaning, especially the pet hair and debris, and they say ki in this pandemic situation, this vacuum helps to remove all the unnecessary dirt present in their places. So yes, if you wanted to buy this product, you can go ahead. It totally depends upon your need. If you are having a need of buying an innovative product, this can be a good option in my opinion. So guys, the Google rating, the Amazon rating is very good. The product has almost 4.5 to 5 star. The latest update says that innovation is very helpful, as it has LED headlights which will help you out to leave the product anywhere. It has a lightweight and compact in size, less than 5 pounds. It has a magnetic charger too. So yes, this is the importance is also given about the product. Just go look at the importance, and if this importance match up to your expectation, then you can easily buy it. The product information is also given. So guys, my update says that yes, you can go ahead with this if you wanted to have a technological pro cleaning stuff at your place. So guys, if you wanted to have a terror free place, especially from virus and germs, then this product is a good one. So guys, if you like our information, hit the like button, do comment in the comment box, and for later updates about the innovative products, do subscribe our channel. So thank you so much guys, have a nice day and enjoy your product and your shopping too.